In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column on Wix. To get started, open your page in the Wix editor so you can make changes directly to your site layout. Once you're in the editor, go to the part of the page where you want the new column to appear. This is important because columns are added inside a section, so you'll first need to choose the correct section before making any layout changes. When you've found the section you want to work with, click on it to select it. After the section is selected, you'll see a row of editing options appear above it. These options let you adjust different parts of the section, including its design and structure. From that menu, click on Change Layout. This is where Wix gives you different layout presets for the selected section. Inside the Layout panel, choose a layout that includes columns. If the section currently has no columns, this step changes the structure so the content can be divided into multiple vertical areas. Take a moment here to pick the layout that best fits what you want your page to look like, since the number and spacing of columns can affect how your text, images, or other elements are arranged. After you've selected a column-based layout, you can add another column directly from the section itself. Move your mouse to the edge of the existing columns and look carefully for a small plus sign to appear. This plus sign is the control Wix uses to insert a new column into that section. When you see it, click it, and the new column will be added right away. And that's it. You've successfully added a column on Wix. If you're adjusting your page layout, this is a quick and useful way to create more organized content areas and give your design a cleaner structure. As a helpful tip, after adding the column, you may want to review the spacing and placement of the elements inside the section so everything looks balanced. Small layout adjustments can make a big difference in how professional the final page appears. Now you know exactly how to add a column on Wix, from selecting the section to changing the layout and inserting the extra column with the plus sign.